So a lot of people ask is, how do I do a proposal out of zzTakeoff? And I want to show you what I would recommend for now. Currently, there is not a report that just says, hey, send it to a proposal. Not yet, anyways. But for now, what my workaround would be, we'll do something like this. So I've got this job here, okay, it's landscape and irrigation. And I've consolidated it into two massive folders, okay? I can break this bid any way I want. I can put it in a proposal any way I want. But for the sake of this video, we're going to use this layout, okay? So I've got this done. I go to reports, and I have this proposal by folder report. I'm going to collapse it. And now I have my bid amount here. Okay, so if I highlight this and right click and copy, I have this Excel sheet here that I just go ahead and paste it into. So Control V. Okay, now it pasted in, did the total amount, and this is what we're going to put into our proposal. So here I'm going to go 43,900. 43,900. All right, and then here we'll go 112,000. And you can leave those numbers if you want, but this way you end up with your round numbers. Yeah, I know in PlanSwift you couldn't round the numbers like that, so this makes it pretty nice. Anyway, so I'll copy this, and then I'll go to a Word document. It's a template that I made that is always going to be exactly the same. For this fictitious business, I would make this template, save it as a template, open it as a template when you're ready to put in a new job. You can go, attention so-and-so, the subject is this job, plans and specifications prepared by these people, last dated, this date, whatever. And you can put in your scope of work to change it. But here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and right-click and hit Paste Special. And I like this HTML format. And what I'll do is just say OK, and now we have our bid. And in this bid that I'm going to turn in, let's say, I have all my terms and conditions. I have prices. I have the qualification of what we're bidding, what we're excluding, everything else. So it's a real nice way to get a very nice proposal. I know it's very difficult to do in PlanSwift. In Stack, you can't get this nice of a proposal. You really can't. They have this kind of Excel thing that just looks like, well, it looks bad. Anyways, that is how I would recommend doing it for now. If you have any questions or you need a further explanation, reach out to the team. We'd love to help you with this. Anyways, this is a very important part of doing an estimate and using zzTakeoff as an estimating tool. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.